When it comes to losing weight, some parts of your body seem to hold on to their stores of excess fat more stubbornly than others. For starters, many people seem to struggle with getting rid of the pesky flab that tends to build up around the arms, as this can be an especially tricky area to slim down. While some try to rely on spot reduction exercises in an effort to target weight loss in specific parts of their body, the unfortunate truth is that these targeted weight loss exercises are largely ineffective when it comes to actually reducing fat in those areas. The good news is that even if spot reduction doesn't work, there are still plenty of exercise techniques that you can employ in order to trim the fat on your arms, as well as start building and developing lean muscle to replace it. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to Bestie and ring the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our daily videos and content. Also, make sure that you watch this video all the way through to the end to avoid missing out on anything important. Number 1. Push-ups. For this list, let's start things off easy with a few exercise techniques that everyone knows, and then gradually work our way up to some slightly more complex maneuvers. First up, we're going to go out on a limb and make the assumption that even those of you with passive knowledge of fitness probably know what a push-up is. For toning the muscles in your arms, a narrow push-up technique is the best way to approach this form of exercise. Simply start in the plank position with your hands under your shoulders, and then bend your elbows to lower and raise yourself without arching your back. If this is too much to start, you can always do these push-ups on your knees first in order to make things easier and get into the rhythm of the technique. Number 2. Arm slides. Somewhat similar to push-ups, arm slides are another great way to give your arms a workout and require a minimal amount of equipment in order to perform. All you need are 2 sliders to safely rest your hands on as you slide them across the floor, such as a pair of washcloths or even 2 paper plates. Start in a kneeling position and slowly slide the plates forward and back along the ground with your hands. In addition to working out your arms, this will also help engage your core muscles and improve your overall balance as well. Number 3. Dumbbell bench press. In addition to push-ups, the bench press technique is another great way to fully engage your muscles in your arms in order to tone up and hopefully reduce fat. Bench pressing with dumbbells also helps to reduce any imbalances in muscle mass between your dominant and non-dominant arms, as well as engaging the muscles in your chest as well. As an added benefit, using dumbbells also means you most likely won't require a spotter either. Just make sure that you select a weight for your dumbbells that you know you can safely work with, and remember to take things slow and steady, and this exercise should prove to be safe and effective. Number 4. Medicine ball slams. Feeling like letting out some pent-up aggression after a stressful day? Maybe repeatedly slamming a medicine ball into the ground is just the therapy that you need. In addition to being just plain fun, incorporating medicine ball slams into your workout routine provides you with a full body exercise that will not only give your arms a workout, but also provide you with a little bit of cardiovascular exercise as well. Just remember to keep your back straight and your feet hip-width apart. Also, you might not want to do this one if you live on the upper floors of your apartment building, or you may start receiving some noise complaints. Number 5. Resistance band bicep curls. A resistance band is a length of elastic cord material with a handle on either end. While it has the capacity to stretch, it offers just enough resistance, hence the name, to really make you work for it. To perform bicep curls with one of these bands, step on the middle section of the cord so that it rests underneath the arch of your foot, and lift the 2 handles from your hips to your shoulders. Make sure that you keep your back straight and avoid swinging and leaning back when you bring your hands up. Number 6. Supine Barbell Rows. This unusual looking exercise makes use of TRX straps to strengthen not only your arms, but also your lower back as well. Grabbing one of the TRX handles in each hand, slowly walk backwards with your chest facing the anchor point until you begin to feel the tension in the straps. Then, walk your feet forward until your back is positioned at a 45-degree angle and begin repeatedly pulling yourself up until your chest meets the straps. The further apart your feet and hands are from each other during the exercise, the more challenging, and thus, the more rewarding it will be. Number 7. Battle ropes. In addition to having what is quite possibly one of the coolest names on the list, battle ropes also helps by providing cardiovascular exercise. It increases the endurance and tone of the muscles in your arm, all as part of a single exercise technique. Grabbing the end of one of these ropes, stand with your feet hip-width apart and start making up and down motions so that the ropes begin to form a wave. From there, try speeding things up to create smaller waves, or slow down and move your hands a greater distance up and down to create larger ones. Try to feel things out and experiment with this exercise to see which speed and intensity you're most comfortable with. Hopefully you'll be walking away from this video with more knowledge on arm toning workouts with which to arm yourself. But now, let's pass the question off to you fitness junkies watching this video. What are some of your favorite upper body and arm-related exercises to implement into your workout routines? We'd love to hear some of your input. Be sure to let us know in the comment section below. Help us keep the conversation going. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.